Hi everyone, and welcome along to today's video. Today is another cooking one. We're going to do some more food in the Tefal Actifry Genius model. To that end, we're going to be doing chips, our good old favourite, pork chops and mushrooms.
Okay, well we're all plugged in. Hi everyone, welcome along. We're going to take this out of here. This is going to be for our pork chops in a moment. I'll pop that over there. We're going to put our chips in. And then we're going to add a little bit of oil to it. You don't need much oil. They're frozen chips. You can use your own. We'll show that recipe later. But we've got frozen chips today. We're cheating. So we'll pour some oil on that. Oh, well, I'm loving this new Actifry. It's fantastic. You can cook two things at the same time. Right, a little tiny bit of oil. Really small amounts. And then you pop your lid down. I haven't actually switched it on yet, so switch it on. And everything will come up. It automatically goes to mode 1 and it automatically shows you the bottom tray. So I'm going to set that one because that's what I want it to do at the moment, be on mode 1. And I'm going to cook my chops. Now what you do is, so that you get your warning when you need to put them in, you push this button here. Can you see it's changed it to this? I want mode 5 because I'm going to be cooking the chops. And it's given me 8 minutes there. I'm going to keep an eye on it. I think the chops need a little bit longer than that, but I can keep an eye on it and we can add some minutes as we go along. So we're ready to go now, and it's now cooking the chips underneath. I'll start to turn and I'll get the chops ready. So I'm going to coat these with this. We love this on there. It's hot, it's nice. Pop it in there, get them ready, prepared. Lay them in. I'm going to lay this over there. The flavour will run out of them, and then I'll get the mushrooms ready, prepared. I'll just slice them, ready to go on. You need to keep an eye on the chops. To say, if the chops are thicker, you're going to need longer. They're thinner. Obviously, just keep an eye on your meat and make sure it's cooked right through before you eat it, obviously, especially with pork and chicken. Okay, we're down to the last 16 seconds here. The chips are coming along nicely. The trick with this little gadget is to deduct the amount of time you think you're going to need on your top from your bottom, because once you put the top one in, obviously the bottom one's continuing to cook for another 5 or 10 minutes, however long that is. Here's like, can you hear that beep? And it's telling me now to put the top one in. Can you see that? There you go. Okay, so as I say, I'm giving it 5 mode for 10 minutes. I'm going to push start again, and off we go. We're now cooking the top, but remember underneath is still cooking. So as I say, deduct whatever your cooking time is for the top from the bottom, otherwise they'll be overcooked. And that makes sense. Righty-ho. Okay then, so what I'm going to do now, they're beginning to cook quite nicely, is I'm going to turn them over. Careful you don't scratch your Tefal stuff there. Okay, and then I'm going to add my mushrooms. So I've chopped them into 4 like that, and I'm going to add those in with a little bit of butter, and then they will cook for the last few minutes of the chops cooking. Okay, so there's a little bit of butter going on, and then I shall just stir them around in a minute so that they get cooked all over. Well, back here and then carry on.
Marvellous. Thinking good. Okay. You know where all that stuff is, Derek and 33. Thanks for watching, guys. I like it. Wow.
Pass the taste test then.
Certainly.